Okay guys, habang kinukuha yung mga album, I'd like to introduce Councilor J.R. Rodriguez of Panglao, Bohol. So pag nasa Bohol kayo, look for J.R.
Hi everyone. Yeah, so thank you, Francis. We are both actually members in the Camera Club of the Philippines, so we kind of go a long way. And I wanted to join the Ironman, but Francis sort of talked me out of it because of the dangers of the Ironman. But anyway, I'd like to acknowledge Inday and the Rebels, yung kagrupo ng wife ko. And there's Team Kirat here, I know, and etc. Whoever I'm part of. Kasi in Bohol, we have like 250 motor clubs, so I'm a part of several motor clubs. I invite all of you to go to Bohol. If you go there, you can get my number from Jackie, and I will tell you exactly where you can eat, where you can ride, where you can go, how you will spend your one day up to even 1 month. You will not get tired of Bohol even if you're there for a month. There's something to do every single day. So I hope to see you there. Thank you very much.